Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And yes, this is an intraday video for the 1 hour chart and the 15-minute chart to see what happened, what it might happen in Bitcoin. So as you can see, we dropped down, we broke the trend of a diagonal here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Now it is an expanding diagonal, which is very rare case scenario, meaning that even the last bullish possible scenario that we have in this structure has been invalidated. Meaning definitely, of course, I mean, don't forget, we were in bearish, so I'm not surprised if we're moving down, but what I'm surprised with is that you have a 1-2 and potentially 1-2 as an expanding diagonal. If this 1-2 has hit the 886, that is a very rare scenario also to have a wave 3. And after this, we got, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, which is much more weird as well. 4 double 1-2s, which are the most rare case scenarios that you might have, which is an expanding diagonal, and 886 for wave 2. Therefore, I'm still doubting this, that we are moving very massively towards the downside right now with the wave C. But if this happened, well, we don't have any other scenarios, rather than taking this as double 1-2 in an expanding diagonal and then wave 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Or it can be, of course, something else unfolding, which is much more complicated. Wow, how much complicated is gonna be this wave B? It's very complicated. So what it might happen, what if therefore we are extending this wave? What if that this is a W, or this is a W and you're looking for an X and then another Y? Yeah, so we are still in the time for a wave B, and that's still, of course, opening the possibility for a bigger correction wave here. Can it be possible? Well, let's check the time. If we take the time from the top here to the bottom of this wave, here we go, and we take it from here exactly. So A, B, based on the wave B. As you can see, well, it is very possible, guys, still. Yeah, it's still very possible. We did not reach the 1-to-1 fib time, and therefore it can be something much more, much more complex here even. Yeah, don't forget a wave B or a wave X are very, very complex, especially in a big structure, corrective structure. So yeah, basically the 1-to-1 fib time is not hit. We just hit the 0.618, meaning it is very possible that after those 3 waves finished here, you might get 3 waves down and then again 5 waves up and then moving toward the downside. It is very possible, guys. So yeah, this might be the possibility for, or the explanation for what's going on here. Yeah, because we have a 1-2 with 886 and an expanding diagonal. So basically, I would say, yeah, let's lay down this scenario. So we have W potentially here finish the W, and we're looking for an X and a wave Y in an extended wave, corrective wave. Now, what are the fib levels for an X or for I mean, it even can be simply A, B, C. Why I'm using WXY, A, B, and a C. Since this has transformed to 3 waves in WXY, this becomes a wave A. Very simple. And in this case scenario, we're looking for a wave B right now. Well, I doubt it, guys, that we're gonna move directly towards the downside. I doubt it, because I mean, I'm looking for it, but I didn't get the right signal for it. Yeah, so this is why I'm doubting this. And now towards the upside is impossible. Yeah, kind of impossible. So we're looking potentially here. It can be like something like A and then B and a C towards the downside, and looking still for lower, and then moving for a wave C here. Yeah, so this is very possible as well. So if we dive a little bit deeper on the 15-minute chart, let's move inside it to see what's going on. So as you can see, yeah, if we have here 1 and then 2 and then 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, Yeah, even it's not looking like very clean impulse as well. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Okay, finished. So you finish like kind of 1, 2, 3. Well, if this is a truncated wave 5, that's a lot of rare scenarios here, right? A lot of rare scenarios, a lot of doubting into it. And here, if you have even an expanding diagonal, even it doesn't look like an expanding diagonal. It should even be like a zigzag wave 5. It's not. And you have this as an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another impulse. Well, yeah, because they are impulses, it can be as well. Very critical. Yeah, so if we want to make this a 3-wave toward the downside, and we got another A, B, C, D, E, but they are impulses. We cannot have impulses in a triangle as well. Yeah, very, very complicated, guys, but 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 as well is incredible. Crazy. Even here, there is a problem with 111 too. So, yeah, this is definitely, of course, corrective, guys. This is corrective. I still believe that this might be, of course, your wave C. For this correction, it can be something like A, B, and a C. This is what I believe into it. So let's mark this as an yeah, A, B, and a C. This is what I'm gonna mark it because I still see a problem for an impulse toward the downside, okay? And that's why it gives us the signal, by the way. I mean, that's why it is like this, to tell us, okay, it's not ready to take this low yet. Yeah? So it might be, of course, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 5 waves down to finish a wave B, and then looking for a wave C again for higher, and then moving toward the downside. And I believe that it has to reach the 1-to-1 fib time at least to finish this, and meaning your wave B might be expanded in time, guys. Very simple. I already mentioned this, by the way, on the deep analysis, that we might see an X in different scenarios. So if this happens, remember, if this happens and you're looking here after 3 waves down, we're looking at 3 waves down. If we're gonna get this, meaning A, B, C, D, and E, we're going into a triangle. Very simple. Yep, so this is the scenario that I see right now. It is a triangle, highest possibility for a wave X or wave V. It can be a wave V in triangle as well. I'm gonna remove this. There is no need for it anymore. So I see, okay, A, B, C towards the downside. Yeah, let's remove this as well. Okay, so this is W, X, and a Y. Okay, X and a Z. Yeah, but also a wave Z need to be impulsive. Impulse, correction, impulse. So there is no signal for an impulse toward the downside. It is 3 waves, and potentially later on moving down, and then moving up, and then moving down. This is what I'm expecting. Yeah, so basically this is, of course, a triangle potentially somehow like this. Here we go. This is what we might see. A running triangle as well. Running triangle because your wave A is higher than the wave C. A, B, C, D, and an E. So this is the highest possible scenario right now. And I'm gonna remove the W, X, Y, and Z. It's too much. I'm gonna keep it in mind, preferably until I see signal for it. Right now, I don't see a signal for that. I see simply a triangle. So basically, to finish this wave C, this one is gonna be removed as well. I think those blue box cannot be achieved anymore. Here we go. Yep. So basically, right now, of course, we're looking for lower, I believe, but still want to rebound first and then moving down in a zigzag or corrective wave, for this scenario. Let's label this as well as an A, B, C, D, and an E. Yeah, so this is a possible scenario here that we might be looking at. Here we go. So A and then B. I think I'm gonna remove everything excessive. A, B, and a C. Here we go. And then D and a E. And meaning right now this, okay, I'm gonna even remove this ABC because it's the same at the end for a triangle. Yeah. Yep, and also this one. So basically this has the highest possibility right now, guys. This scenario has the highest possibility. Here we go. And then moving toward the downside. Yep, this is what I see because again, no impulse toward the downside, meaning corrective. If you are corrective, you're looking for 3 waves toward the downside. You would like to reach the 1-to-1 fib time, potentially therefore a wave D and E will finish this triangle and moving toward the downside. If we take a look at KGT as well, we can see on the 5-minute chart for Bitcoin, we have kind of like a divergence here for the 5-minute chart. And yeah, this might be, of course, the retracement toward the upside. As I mentioned, yeah, this is a good signal as well. Let me check also the 15-minute chart just to be sure. Okay, yeah, even on the 15-minute chart, we have a signal, a very strong signal as well. It might be a strong divergence. So yeah, we might move towards the upside, guys. Yeah, and that because of the scenario that I just mentioned, meaning we gonna move a little bit for higher here because you have 3 ways down, 3 ways up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And of course, continuation. Now, if we move a little bit even 15-minute chart back again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, perfect finished, yeah. Almost finished, maybe one more leg towards the downside, but almost finished, yeah. And this was your wave C after an A, B, and a C. This is, I'm gonna keep this just for you, for your information, just as a small count here, A, B, C, here we go. Okay, so yeah, we're looking for a wave D, and we are bearish, of course, guys, we are bearish, but as expected, but not ready to take the lows. This is a problem. This is what I'm saying here. Yeah, it's not ready to take this low. Still gonna range in time before it. Yep, that was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your likes and comments. Don't forget also to watch the Solana and Near on X as they are updated. Very quick updates for 2 minutes. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.